So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to curl text here in Alight Motion. So I have my video selected, go to the bottom right, press the plus icon, then add text here. I'm going to go ahead and type in the word curl. I'm then going to change the font so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. And I'll make the font cyan colored, just like that. So once you have your thing selected, which I do right now, go to exit out of here, press on the text, or press on where it says curl. For me, my thing just froze. Bear with me for 2 seconds. Okay, apologies for that. My screen froze. Anyways, once you guys are back here, select on the text right here. Then go to the bottom right and select effects. And then select add effects. Then scroll down to where it says distortion/warp. And then the middle option right here at the top, it says curl. Go ahead and select that. And then just press standard settings. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and select if you want to curl it from the right or from the left. I'll just go ahead and select right just like here. And then once, or maybe the left is selected or whatever, you can go ahead and kind of play around with it this way. So if you want to go ahead and offset it like this, you can go ahead and do that. You can change the radius as well. If you want to make it more of a curl or less of a curl, whatever the case may be, you can kind of play along this way. You can also go down or up in regards to the direction, and then you can go ahead and select stretch accordingly. So if this looks good to go, you can go ahead and exit out, play the video right here, and then your text is now curled. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to curl text in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.